Hello, and welcome to an in-depth weather video. If you like this video, please make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and click the bell to get notifications whenever I post a video. Now, let's go in depth. Here we are on the National Weather Service radar page. We can still see the central part of the country getting soaked, some thunderstorms down here in the south, but the main swath of rainfall is actually up here in Minnesota, Wisconsin area, and there's a lot of showers and thunderstorms down to the south. Now, I do want to go to the outlooks for the National Hurricane Center. We do have a 30% chance of this developing. This, I think they're calling it Invest 91L. This is going to stay out to sea a little bit longer than expected, so they've upped the chances. Same thing as yesterday. Now, I do want to read this last part. Regardless of development, heavy rainfall could cause flash flooding over portions of coastal sections of northeastern Florida and Georgia through tonight, and over portions of the Carolinas on Wednesday. Gusty winds could also produce rough marine conditions and life-threatening surf and rip currents along the coast of northeastern Florida, Georgia, and the Carolinas through Wednesday. So, any way that if this goes tropical, if it's subtropical, or it just doesn't get named, this entire coastline here will be affected if it's flooding, heavy rains, thunderstorms, rough surf as well. Anything on the coast here will be impacted by this storm just based on how it is right now. I also want to go over to the Eastern Pacific, where in the next 5 days we have a very strong chance, this over 60% chance of tropical development right in this section here. And I want to go here. A broad area of low pressure is expected to form in a couple of days south of the coast of southern Mexico, Guatemala, El Salvador. Environmental conditions appear conducive for gradual development of the system, and a tropical depression is likely to form late this week over the weekend, while it generally moves slowly northward. So this area right here, 70% chance of cyclone formation in the next 5 days. Now, onto the NAM 3-kilometer model. As you see, we have our two lows that we've been watching. Those continue to move up. As you can see, we're back to this making landfall in South Carolina again, and then moving straight north. And now, we start to see those two systems start to collide together, and we start to see this kind of all come together, and we just start to see some more thunderstorms. This is into Friday, and the Northeast might be getting a little bit of rain on Friday as well with that system as it kind of dissipates, but mainly still central part of the country is getting hammered with rain, and then the western part of the country is looking fairly well in the rain department. Maybe some showers, but really nothing to be concerned about. Now, I do want to go to the GFS, and I do want to check on the Eastern Pacific, just for the reason that is this. So, it is showing that the GFS is showing that this storm is going to move northward over the Yucatan and come out into the Gulf of Mexico, where it could develop into a Gulf storm. Now, it might just be very weak. As you can see, the low pressure area is very large, not very tightly wound, but this could be a major player in our weather for the next couple weeks. And that's all I really wanted to show there, but this is something that we need to watch out for.